elle a 20 ans.
It's so soft.
Donc après, on a dit
This is a 2-month-old donkey that my daughter got to pet. We visited a nearby donkey farm, only about 10 minutes away from our house. And they had donkeys in the barn and out in the field. They were so sweet. And also, it's really great on site. They have this shop where they sell crafts and local artwork and soap and all these natural products that were just beautiful. They smelled amazing. So we bought some things and got to see some donkeys. The heat wave finally broke. Oh, it's amazing. I've got one of our fans here in front of the window to let the cool air in. Oh, it's so great at last. We've got this over here on top of the pellet burner. 75 degrees. Oh, it's been right about 80 most mornings and going up to about 80 something throughout the afternoons. So being down to 75 degrees in here is fantastic. I know some of you want me to convert it to Celsius, but I don't know what it is. Actually, this one might say. This tower fan that actually is pretty horrible and doesn't really help that much, so I do not recommend it. This one says it's 26. So there you go. There's your conversion. So yeah, we've got all these windows open. It's so great. We'll go into the Grand Salon, which will be our dining room when we get a table. We've got this one open. Oh, it feels so great. It really does. Even the dog is feeling better. Normally in the mornings when it's so hot, she's just trying to keep cool. But here she is, awake and already kind of whining and wanting lots of things this morning, mainly to be taken out constantly to chase after pigeons and lizards and anything else she can find. So she's feeling better. That's a good thing. Okay, so you want to talk about renovation? We had a gentleman come this week that will help us with renovating. Look at the state of this room. This room at the end of the hall into a bathroom. This will be used by my kids, and also when we have friends or family stay with us that want to stay in the house, this will be their bathroom. It was a bathroom. Just take a good look at this room. You see that above there? That leads to our attic. There are some holes, so that's great. But just look at this bathroom. It was a bathroom. In fact, they even had a laundry facility in here. I think that's what that is on the wall. It was for laundry. Somewhere along the way, they said that there was laundry in here. It has just been not touched for decades. So I found a guy with a business on Facebook, reputable local business, and he is going to help us turn this disgusting room into a bathroom for the modern age. What I will finish off right here is a bedroom that's basically just drywalled. If you can see it from here, I'm going to zoom in so you can see. This is basically a bedroom. It's just drywalled. There's a closet to make in. It's just, I have to finish mudding and taping that room. And then we'll make this all less creepy. It's creepy and dark because, I'm sorry, there's no lights. There is a, sorry, I'm gonna go slow here. There's a skylight in this bathroom. That's why you can actually see in there. But yeah, not much else going on in that bedroom. Literally just drywall. And it's all accessible. It's nice for guests because it's private. Like, we've got this separate door at the end of the hallway that you get to it by. I can't begin to tell you how amazing these cool mornings are feeling this week. Or I shouldn't even say this week, just the last couple of days. This is only day 2 of a wonderfully cool morning. It's something like 62 degrees out. I don't know the Celsius conversion, so you're gonna have to Google it yourself. But I could see from the top of the staircase, this is the Rose of Sharon bush, hibiscus. And up at the tippy top, I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can actually see. Oh, there's just a couple of purple flowers on the top. I was able to see this in bloom last year sometime, or I can't remember. I was at the house once and there, oh, there's one. And there were flowers all over. And it was so pretty. Oh, there it is. The first of the purple flowers. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I can't wait. That's going to be really great. Here's that state of the rose bush that a lot of you guys said had aphids. I swear I saw a green bug once that maybe had been an aphid. Some of the leaves do have holes. I was going to get some of the ant killer, but also the aphid killer. I'm going to I was at the grocery store looking and I couldn't find borax or some of the other things, but I'm going to a Home Depot type store in a couple days, so I will be grabbing it there, I hope. Oh man, look at all the blooms getting ready to go on here. Oh, it's just gonna be so pretty. Oh, that'll be great. There's Josie up for her morning survey of the backyard. Usually it includes getting spooked by pigeons that hop out of the trees and bushes when we least expect them. Oh, everything. Look, every leaf everywhere is just shredded. I don't know what these things are, but they don't look healthy. Ugh. We're still cleaning up the inside, like for our arrival. Like, I'm gonna clean bathrooms today, exciting stuff like that. So I haven't even started doing anything outside yet. I don't know what to do with most of it. So much of it's just piled up like this at the moment. I know we take it to the déchetterie, but I need a tarp to put it all on so that I don't get my rental car just completely coated in stuff. So, yeah. Oh, what a lovely morning. Just beautiful. It is Friday morning, and in our town, that's market day. So we are walking the 2 blocks it takes to get to the main place where that's going on.